Hundreds of the victims of the MST massacre have been waiting 4 long years for justice for their loved ones, and it all starts on Monday. And for months, we watched prosecutors and defense attorneys haggle over just about every aspect of this death penalty phase, covering every day of jury selection.
And come Monday, the case will be heard by a jury. That panel will decide if the shooter should pay for his crimes with his own life. Local 10's Christina Vasquez breaks down what to expect Monday.
For many family members of Parkland school shooting victims, like Manuel Oliver, father of murder victim Joaquin.
Every day it's a new day that we suffer and we don't see a final chapter.
The start of the Parkland shooter's trial marked the beginning of that final chapter.
There is an active shooter working at Douglas. Multiple gunshots are being fired.
More than 4 years ago, Valentine's Day, 2018, Nikolas Cruz, a troubled former Marjory Stoneham Douglas student, shot and killed 17 MSD students and staff, hurt another 17.
Guilty.
His October guilty pleas to the murders, setting up the penalty phase of his trial, which started with jury selection in April, as the court worked to find people who could put any personal opinions aside, be fair and impartial when it comes to sentencing.
You have been selected and sworn as the jury.
The court swearing in a 12-member jury last month, 7 men and 5 women, who will decide if the shooter should pay for the crimes with his life. Opening statements are scheduled for Monday.
To present the overview of what they want the jurors to consider.
Legal analyst David Weinstein says expect prosecutors who are seeking a death verdict to stress the premeditated and heinous actions of the shooter.
They will point out the planning that took place, both in items recovered from Cruz, from statements he made afterwards. Some of it will be very graphic in nature.
As for the defense,
Harp on his mental condition.
He expects the defense will approach aspects of the shooter's childhood and background.
The age of the defendant, the fact that he was under, in their mind, duress.
Evidence they believe would provide a reason for a juror to vote for life.
Monday presents one of the most significant days in the course of this process.
Court is scheduled to start at 9 a.m. on Monday. The trial is expected to last 4 to 5 months, and jurors in this penalty phase, they will need to be unanimous in choosing death. That means if one juror chooses life, he would get life. In Fort Lauderdale, Christina Vasquez, Local 10 News.